నమస్కారం. నా పేరు రజిత. తెలంగాణ స్టార్ ఛానల్ తెలుగుకు స్వాగతం. ఇక వివరాల్లోకి వెళ్తే తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రంలో నాన్ రిస్క్ దేశాల నుండి ఒమిక్రాన్ వేరియంట్ 2 కేసులు నమోదయ్యాయి. సోమాలియాకు చెందిన ఓ వ్యక్తి, కెన్యాకు చెందిన ఓ మహిళకు ఒమిక్రాన్ పాజిటివ్గా తేలింది. వారు దుబాయ్ మీదుగా హైదరాబాద్ వచ్చారు. మరో వ్యక్తిని ట్రాక్ చేస్తున్నారు. పబ్లిక్ హెల్త్ డైరెక్టర్ శ్రీనివాసరావు తెలంగాణ ప్రభుత్వం ఒమిక్రాన్కు పాజిటివ్ పరీక్షించిన కెన్యా వ్యక్తిని హైదరాబాద్ సిటీ పోలీసుల సహాయంతో కనుగొనడం జరిగిందని తెలిపారు. మీకు కనుక ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.
Has received two people. These are the two imported cases. One person is a female, 24 years old, Kenya nationality, has landed in our international airport on 12th of December, and this female belongs to Kenya, which is a non-at-risk country. Okay, and another person is 23 years old male. This guy has travelled again on 12 in a different flight. Okay, both these people are belongs to non-at-risk countries. On a random basis, we could able to collect the samples because they are not completely vaccinated, partially vaccinated. So we could able to collect the samples, and that day they found to be positive. And immediately the samples has been sent for the genome sequencing. We could able to get the genome sequencing report within the 32 hours, and where they could able to found positive for the Omicron variant. Immediately one of the female of 24 years old has been traced along with her close contacts, father and brother, and immediately they are shifted to the TIMS Gachibowli. And other person, we are in the process of tracing. Next 1 to 2 hours the person will be traced, and we are taking the help of the police also, and the person also along with his contacts will be shifted to TIMS Gachibowli for further evaluation. So in view of these two cases, imported cases, one is from Kenya and other one is Somalia, so we request the people to be more alert and request to follow the COVID appropriate behavior, that is starting from the wearing of the mask, both not only outside, even inside when you are in house, and also have the proper ventilation for all, and also get the vaccination done if you have not yet received 2 doses of vaccine. So these are the measures where we can prevent the further spread of this variant in our Telangana state, and the government is fully geared up to meet any eventuality. Yesterday Honorable Health Minister has reviewed the hospital preparedness, availability of the drugs, equipments and human resources, everything. The government is geared up, and Honorable Chief Minister sir is also monitoring the situation time to time.
So international flights. Three people were tested for positive Omicron, and 2 are in Hyderabad.
2 are in Hyderabad. One boy, 7 years old boy, went to West Bengal along with his family.
International
They are not. The boy has not entered into Telangana state.
International flights are a concern for government of Telangana. The health department's international airport has almost over 46 international flights. You think that this is the right time central government should take a firm step and firm decision banning all the international connectivity?
No, it's not question of banning. The way we are following the protocols for the at-risk countries, the same protocols has to be applicable to all other non-risk countries also. This we need to understand, because whatever the 2 positive cases, 3 positive cases we got, these 3 cases are from the non-risk countries. Okay, we have to treat all the international passengers, those who are coming from outside, has to be undergo the RT-PCR mandatory test. When they found positive, they have to send to the genome sequencing. It's not only for 10 countries we are following this procedure, and the rest of the countries. Okay, Government of India will be having their own mechanism to identify these countries. But our perception from the public health perspective is, for health related thing, the law or the guidelines should be the same for all the international travels.
So what about the schools?
Don't worry, the government has taken all measures. After the last episode of the outbreak, now there are no single outbreak for the last few days. Okay, so we need not to worry. We request the parents to send their kids to the schools safely.
You have said, sir, that probably after mid-January, post-Sankranti, we can witness surge or peak.
Definitely. There will be a surge due to the Omicron, definitely.